Introducing, from Ontario, Canada, weighing 185 pounds, Sandstorm! And his opponent, from Grey Ireland, weighing over 189 pounds, Finn Balor! Ding, ding, ding. The match is on. Oh, and Sandstorm starting with a kick to the chest. Miss the kick. Balor. Oh, gets thrown back. Sandstorm now goes for the clothesline. Ducks under. Balor jumps over Sandstorm. Oh, and a drop kick from Sandstorm sends Balor off his feet. Oh, and a kick to the midsection. What is Sandstorm going for? Oh, a neck breaker. Just planting Finn Balor down cover.
1, 2.
Kick out at 2. Balor is still in this match. Sandstorm now setting him up. What could he be going for here? Moonsault. Oh, Balor dodges it. Oh, and a sling blade sends him down. Sandstorm in the corner now. Balor looking to end this with a drop kick. Oh no. I think we all know what Balor's going for next. Balor going to the top. Looking to end this. Oh, but Sandstorm moves out of the way. Sandstorm now. Balor ducks under. Oh, and a big kick to the face. Now has Balor on his shoulders. Balor gets off and planting his neck down. Balor now. Oh no. Balor could end this with a coup de grace. Cover.
1, 2, 3.
And the match is over. Your winner, Finn Balor! And Finn Balor moves on.